C strings and arrays of strings. Our objectives. In this lecture, you will learn about C strings, examine the use of string functions to process C strings, discover how to input data into and output data from a C string. A character string is an array whose components are of type character. C strings are null-terminated character arrays. For example, A is the character A. Double quote A is the C string A. Double quote A represents two characters, A and the null value. Let's look at an example. Character string name of 16. Since C strings are null terminated and name has 16 components, the largest string it can store has 15 characters, 0 through 15, which is 16 components. If you store a string whose length is less than the array size, the last components are unused. The size of an array can be omitted if the array is initialized during declaration. For example, character name equals John. This declares an array of length 5 and stores the C string John in it. Some useful string manipulation functions are string copy, string compare, and string length. String comparison. C strings are compared character by character using the collating sequence of the system. You use the string function string compare for this. Reading and writing strings. Most rules for arrays also apply to C strings, which are character arrays. Aggregate operations such as an assignment and comparison are not allowed on arrays. C++ does allow aggregate operations for the input and output of C strings. Arrays of strings. Strings in C++ can be manipulated using either the data type string or character arrays, C strings. On some compilers, the data type string may not be available in standard C++. Arrays of strings and the string type. To declare an array of 100 components of type string, we would write string list 100. Basic operations such as assignment, comparison, and input-output can be performed on values of the string type. The data in list can be processed just like any one-dimensional array. Figure 8-20 illustrates the string copy function. Here, the string Snow White is copied into the C string list 1. Our summary. In C++, C strings are null terminated and are stored in character arrays. Commonly used C string manipulation functions include string copy, string compare, and string length. Strings in C++ can be manipulated using either the data type string or character arrays, C strings. Most rules for arrays also apply to C strings.